I'm gonna explain all the tips to my engine. Not all of them, just some. Okay. This one is near. The usual don't have these blue and red things. The red is this nameplate. So is the comparison old and new. Old and inside there's no the nameplate and the surroundings. Let's see the new one. The new one. Look, there's nameplate and the surroundings. Comment if you like my Nia. Is Stepney. Stepney. I give him this kind of a Bobby, but it's kind of good. So let's see the old one. There's no sticky wrap thingy. Oh, I don't know the name, so just help me at the comments. There's no difference. Ow! Wait a minute. Here's the side. Here's the back, front, and finally, here and here. Okay, now the new one. Okay, look, there's a lot of difference. Whee! If you never see this, at the first start of seeing Stepney, you have to like and subscribe. Okay, here's the front of Stepney, and the bottom and top, left, right are the same as the old one. Okay, bye! It's Donald and Douglas. This is Donald. Let's put it on the side. Here's Donald. That's nameplates now. The usual don't. And Douglas is the same. If you ask, why Donald? Which one is which? Donald is yellow, Douglas is purple. Because I don't have a train that's the color black. Whee! You have a snowplow, and I sometimes use it for this engine and Parsley. Because they have the same color as Henry. Just snowplow only on a Henry. Give it a rating. Is it good or not? Henry and the snowplow. If you want to know what I create the extra custom, I use it with clay. The Edward. Here's Edward with slightly big snow cloud. Sorry if the color is different color. Okay, there's a little bit of the difference. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, there's no backup. But, okay, this is for Edward. Bye bye. Hey, me! Here's Rebecca, slightly similar to Edward's. Oh, snowplow engine coming sideways. Oh yeah, I forget. Edward and Rebecca. Edward give an engine like Thomas, Gordon, and Adam. Edward, Gordon, Thomas, and Adam. The snow for them. It's Stepney, Douglas, and Donald. I'm now confused with the different colors. Here's James. snowplow. He gives it to Donald. Wait, and Arthur and Rosie is not red. James is splendid as new. Wait, oh dear, the snowplow. The snowplow can be detached. Okay, bye bye.